Visit Tuscany.com. Arista alla Fiorentina. Traditional Tuscan recipes. Salt a roll of pork loin tied all the way around with kitchen twine. Add grains of black pepper. Rub the meat with both hands, turning it over. Place a pan on the cooker with some olive oil. Add 2 cloves of garlic, a sprig of rosemary, and 4 sage leaves. Place the pork loin in the pan. Brown the meat on all sides, add some white wine and cover with a lid. Cook for 25 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat and serve the pork loin with cooking juices on a flat plate. Arista alla Fiorentina. Ingredients: 800 grams of pork loin, 2 cloves of garlic, a few sage leaves, 1 sprig of rosemary, half a glass of extra virgin olive oil, half a glass of white wine, salt, black pepper. Method: tie the pork loin with a twine and rub the meat with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to flavor the pork. Pour the olive oil into a thick-bottomed pot. Then add 2 cloves of garlic, sage and rosemary. Heat the olive oil. When the olive oil is hot, place the pork loin into the pot and brown on each side and both ends, turning the meat with 2 wooden spoons as soon as it gets golden brown. Pour in half a glass of white wine over the pork loin, then cover the pot with a lid. Cook the meat over medium-low heat for about 25 minutes, checking it occasionally. Let the meat rest in the pot for at least 30 minutes before serving. Thanks to Jules' Kitchen, stories and recipes from Tuscany. www.juleskitchen.com. Sign language interpreting service by Consiglio Regionale, Ente Nazionale, Sordi, Toscana. With the contribution of Presidenza del Consiglio dei Ministri, Ministro per la Disabilità. Visit Tuscany.com.